So I just want to film a little of this because this is kind of the reality. Cambyr and I are trying to take a practice hike. Here she comes. She's doing a great job. She decided to put 14 pounds of weights in her pack, and I just packed mine with all the gear that I had because I'm trying to keep it in a bin so that I can access it easily. But we decided to just hike on a trail from the climbing gym where we parked all the way over down towards the ghost trail, but not to the ghost trail because that's a little far for right now. And then there were these trails that were leading off that I thought, well, this will be a lot more fun. Make it feel like the AT will feel when we're hiking in unexplored places, and we've never really been over here. And we want to practice putting up the tent. So it's an unseasonably warm day, 70 degrees Fahrenheit in January in Massachusetts. That's pretty weird. So anyway, here we decided to take advantage. Today and tomorrow is going to be gorgeous, so we'll just keep trying to take advantage and do our best to break through the marathon wall, because sometimes it's not fun being out here for some people, but I love it and nothing's gonna get me down.
I have a hat.